Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about the designs of people artwork, crafting designs for your garden, how to decorate and how to style the beautiful garden in a beautiful way. My YouTube channel provides you the garden decoration ideas. A huge amount of quality, quantity are available. So don't miss the chance to watch my videos and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, I provide you the simple ideas. I provide you the creative ideas related to the paper artwork designs of creativity, and how to decorate your side corner table designs, side corners, how to decorate your tree in a beautiful paper artwork designs, trending articles, most demanding articles, beautiful articles. And I hope this video and this collection is very authentic and useful for you. The beautiful paper artwork designs, and the design is so beautiful. How to style and how to decorate and how to paint your peoples in a different garden decoration ideas. As you know, the garden decoration is very important because garden decoration enhance the beauty of your home, enhance the beauty of your front door elevation ideas. So guys, if you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then please like, share and comment. The most creativity designs are available on my YouTube channel. All designs are so creative, and all designs related to the garden decorations designs. Garden decoration use the flowers of different colors, artificial flowers add, and fresh flowers add, that enhance the beauty of your creativity. If you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube videos that upload on my YouTube channel. Creative simple artwork designs related to the garden decorations. As you know, without garden decoration your corner is so boring. If you decorate your garden decoration with beautiful people artwork designs, that increase the beauty of your home as well as increase the beauty of your front elevations. First impression is the last impression, guys. But if you decorate your garden in my style, take a screenshot, save it and create a beautiful garden decorations designs with the people artwork designs. And the decoration is so beautiful, landscaping ideas and backyard garden decorations designs. My YouTube channel is very informative related to the videos of people artwork designs of garden decorations, backyard landscaping decoration ideas. So thank you so much guys to watching my YouTube videos and to like my channel, sharing my YouTube channel. And I hope this video is very authentic and useful for you. Enjoy the video, enjoy the collection, because I upload the video on daily basis. Check my playlist. Take care and bye bye.